We'll start with Module 5, ICD-10 coding, also referred to as diagnosis coding. Structure of ICD-10 CM. Introduction. The ICD-10 CM, also referred to as International Classification of Diseases, 10th Revision, Clinical Modification, is a diagnostic coding system used to classify and code various health conditions and diseases. Understanding its structure is fundamental for accurate diagnosis coding. This module explores the organization, components, and logical framework of ICD-10 CM. Overview of ICD-10 CM. Purpose: to provide standardized coding systems for diagnosis, supporting billing, clinical documentation, and health statistics. Scope: used in outpatient physician offices and some inpatient settings. Update cycle: it is usually revised annually to incorporate new codes and medical advances. Next, organization and structure of ICD-10 CM. Alphanumeric code. Length is 3 to 7 characters. And format: it begins with a letter followed by a number and potentially more characters. Categories: it is divided into chapters based on body systems or conditions. Examples: infectious diseases, neoplasms, diseases of circulatory system, and so on. Next, components of ICD-10 CM. Chapters and blocks. Chapters. Chapters represent broad disease categories, and these are 21 chapters. Blocks. These are groups of codes within a chapter with similar characteristics indicated by first three characters. Next, main components of the code. Category. These are the first three characters, usually a letter plus two digits, indicating a group of related diagnosis. Subcategory. These are fourth and fifth characters, providing further specificity. And extensions. These are fifth and sixth and seventh characters, if applicable, to specify further details such as laterality, encounter type, or severity. Coding specificity and details. Laterality: it is to distinguish between left, right, and bilateral. These are indicated by specific characters. Next, encounter type, such as initial, subsequent, and sequela, also referred to as post-treatment state. Severity and manifestation. Additional characters may specify severity, complications, and manifestations. Coding conventions and guidelines. Use of placeholder X. It is to fill an empty characters or characters when required for formatting, default codes. When documentation is insufficient, default codes or unspecified codes are used cautiously. It's combining codes, use of combination codes to avoid unbundling and ensure completeness. In summary, the ICD-10 CM system's structured alphanumerical design allows for precise, detailed, and standardized diagnosis coding. Understanding its organization, such as chapters, codes, and conventions, is essential for accurate documentation, compliant billing, and meaningful health data collection. Thank you.